but it's a lot more expensive than that, so don't lowball me.
Hi, I'm Susie Mo and
I'm Leslie Chai, and this is Fast Lane AMA with JetPay. Anticipating our clients' needs and providing seamless and exceptional experiences.
flexibility and highly personalized.
And it's a lot more expensive.
Regular simulation drills. Dedicated, resourceful, and adaptable.
There's a lot more requests for remote islands like Komodo.
Definitely the choice of refreshments, snacks, and also
Personalized handwritten notes.
yeah.
It is not cheap. They think it's first class price, but it's a lot more expensive than that. So don't lowball me.